shorty with the Mac, yeah, get me on a PC, hack, yeah, bitch, you nigga cannot get me that, yeah, I been getting money while you laugh, yeah, bet they didn't know that I was back, yeah, haven't ducking in the club like.
I was watching some ASMR.
So I started my video.
Oh.
You didn't say, oh, you didn't say anything.
What up? Hey everybody. We taking a little
Trip.
trip to Ikea.
We're going to Disneyland.
I wish.
No, I'm just kidding.
Damn, I wish.
Harry, you want to say something to this camera?
What up everybody?
She said it already.
It's gonna take some getting used to. But my name is Sabrina. My channel is Makeup by Sabrina Dawn, so go ahead and add me. How you flip your camera around?
You can't.
You can't?
No.
This is Shar. Say hi, Shar.
She's driving. She can't say her.
Trying to survive.
She needs to wear a seatbelt too.
Just they click behind me.
Oh my God. Unsafety. So unsafety.
It's alright. We all got a time. It's gonna come. So it finds from there.
I don't want to die yet.
Yeah, me neither.
I'm trying to live to be 100 years old.
Don't we all?
Yeah.
But yeah, so we on our way to Ikea to get
To get wood.
these, what are they called? Cube organizers or something. It's one that has 8 little sections in it and one has 4. So I'm gonna try to pick those 2 up today for my makeup room.
Yeah.
I cannot wait to set it up.
Make sure y'all go hit that subscribe button.
Yes. Do you think they got ring lights there?
That's a good question.
I really want to get a ring light.
They might. I should do something funny while we're there. Yes, sir. Yeah. Go get us kicked out.
Prank wars or do the moaning in people's ears and shit.
Don't do that.
And you know
I did that.
Moaning in people's ears.
Yep, I did it.
That
We
was
did it
his
at Dollar
last
Tree
video.
and Walmart.
That shit was funny. We could prank somebody.
Prank who?
We could
Prank the people?
we could, cause you know they have like shortcuts in Ikea because the whole sales floor is
Ooh,
a
what about
showroom.
throw a
Somebody could hide in a showroom and somebody could record them scaring people.
I was gonna say throwing a pillow at them and walking off. But y'all ain't down for that, you know, y'all ain't funny.
Sure. Sabrina, you better get your organizers first and then we go back in. You ain't gonna be having no organizers.
Dang, I should have told you it went that way. Oh well.
You one of those.
Last minute people. No, I'm not last minute.
I'm back here holding on for dear life. And shit.
I can't.
Yeah.
Oh,
Shit.
she can't drive. No, she See, I'm funny. Look at all these people at Popeyes gaining weight.
Dude, like, did they know that heart disease is the #1 killer of Americans? And then they just decided to slap chicken on a fucking donut? Like, what the fuck is wrong
I would
with
never
y'all?
try that. Would y'all
Isn't
try
that
that?
KFC?
Yeah. Would you try it? No. Why not?
Because it doesn't even sound appetizing to me.
Yeah.
They do.
You said they do.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
I do it for a mukbang.
He said, yeah. I really want to go to that pizza place he was talking about. And,
Ian's Pizza?
Yeah, I haven't been there.
Oh my God, I just went there last night.
Ian's Pizza. Where's that at?
It's on the east side where the lakefront is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
You
by
been
St.
there?
Mary's.
You were there when we went. That was the first time we went there. I don't know what we was doing downtown. I think we was hitting up some bars.
Oh.
Y'all be going to Water Street?
Not
Our
anymore.
partying days are pretty much.
I don't go
over,
anymore. It's the same thing over and over again. And it's hot.
Oh, your nails are fucking cute.
No,
Thank you.
they're not.
Okay, girl.
You my new Asian man.
She was at the nail shop getting her nails done. Well, what was you saying to him?
I wasn't saying nothing, girl. I was falling asleep.
You got
You have to edit that out. Your subscribers gonna drop like that.
oh, I'll take that back. I'm sorry.
We joke, we kid.
I'm gonna delete that out of there.
But he was like, I have a man for you. And she goes, who? And he goes, me. Like,
Like,
first of all,
the look I
put my
gave
foot
him.
down.
You know, like, boy, if you don't get your...
Boy, bring that ass here.
So what do you do when it be like awkward silences? You just edit that shit out.
Yeah.
And then it give
Or I just put the little chirp birds in the background.
oh.
They be like,
Crickets.
yeah, the crickets, whatever you call them.
So is it true that editing is hard?
Yes.
It's
I'll be
very
getting
time-consuming.
irritated. And I'll just, it's just irritating. It'd be taking forever. Especially if you got like a 25-minute video. If you got a 25-minute video, you gotta have ads on your videos.
Oh, so that's why people be trying to keep their videos to 15 minutes.
Yeah, that's why I try to keep them like 10, maybe like 9, 15 minutes. So,
What were you saying on one of your other videos where how they're monetizing the videos is changing or something? Oh, your videos can be shown in different parts of the world now. Like anybody can view them or something like that.
all over the country. You can have somebody viewing from Africa or China or Puerto Rico, Mexico, anywhere.
Oh wow.
But you not want to do is like make a video that's where it's not for kids, because if YouTube find out, they gonna try to take it like delete your video off YouTube because you have like cussing and stuff like that in there.
Let me stop cussing.
No, you good, because it ain't gonna do nothing. None of my videos is for kids.
Oh, so when I start up my channel, what should I label it as?
What you
If I'm
mean?
gonna be interviewing people.
I mean, it's gonna be for like people people in vlogs and stuff. So you can label it as that as a category, or you can do entertainment or something like that.
Okay. Entertainment.
Yeah.
So you serious?
Yes. Even if this just becomes a hobby, I really want to do it. And even if it's just a couple people in Milwaukee that watch me, I just want to put some positive videos out there.
You can do it.
I can do it. And this man's gonna help me.
Yep.
Hey. Okay, you keep get in your lane. Get in your lane.
Oh my God.
It don't take 20 years to get in your lane. Stop fixing your wig.
Get out the way.
I should have zoomed in on her face.
She would have said, "Don't put me on camera now. Delete that." Hey y'all, I did a prank, right?
Just cut
We
up.
the worst.
Cut the
You
last
gotta
30
like.
seconds. He gonna be mad as fuck in the next video.
You hanging out with her? Oh,
Oh shit.
you know them? What?
That's all right. That's all right.
Oh, okay. I see how it
Vicious
is.
feeling.
Dang, okay.
Damn, that's crazy, bro.
People gotta know we crazy.
Y'all, I know y'all crazy. Y'all
Just a
look
little.
crazy. No, there's a lot of crazy. I know she got crazy.
All she
Who?
gotta do.
Me?
All she gotta do is call me and say, "Girl," and I'm like, "All right, I'm clocking out right now. Just give me 30 seconds."
See, I ain't got to clock out.
You say you where?
Where?
She just did
That
what?
when you was at Riverside.
Oh, I'm on my way. Yes. Oh my God, story time.
What story
Story
time?
time.
Okay, story time.
I'm gonna try to summarize it really quick. I was working for this company that turned out to not even really be a fucking company. I'm not even gonna air that shit out. But I was working for her for like a month and a half, and she did not pay me. She did not pay me until a month and a half after I quit. So that was 3 months I had to wait for my money. Anyways. So I was working for the Milwaukee public school system, and I was a supervisor at this cleaning company. And we were working alongside the boiler assistants at MPS. And every day I would come in, this chick would just get to mugging me. Like, never exchange words, never spoke, never nothing. She would just get to mugging me ASAP. And I'm like, okay. Then she started bitching about me to one of the other supervisors. So, come to find out, she had already gotten into it with some of the other employees that were with the company that I was with. All of their boiler assistants at MPS was basically picking on us, I guess. Anyways, long story short, she just was talking super crazy, and I thought the chick hit my car, so I'm knocking on the door to get back into the school, like, yo, somebody hit my car. And she come out, and I said, is this your car? She goes, no. And I said, okay, well, somebody hit my car. And she goes, okay. Looks me dead in my face and goes, okay. So I'm like, here we go.
Here we go.
So I said, what's your problem? And she goes, bitch, I don't like you.
Oh.
And I said, well, bitch, you don't gotta like me to do your motherfucking job.
Oh.
So then it just went from there.
Oh.
Y'all got my damn what the fuck.
It just went from there. Shar on the phone, and she's like, girl, where you at? Where you at? I'm around the corner. Where you at? Like, mind you, this whole exchange literally took place within 10 minutes. And she was there. She was there as the shit was happening.
He ran the light. I would, man.
I know, I don't stop for these lights.
Forget that.
I don't stop for merge lights.
Okay.
Time to speed. Come on. Speed it.
You got to split this video up. But she just was talking super fucking crazy. And she goes, what the fuck did she say?
Ooh.
She said, bitch, some, my kids. And I said, well, bitch, I ain't got kids, and my man got a job, so, and I don't need this job. So
what
what's
job
up?
Is this?
Oh no, you was telling her you didn't need
What job is this?
Oh, should I air him out?
Huh?
Should I air him out? Aloysius Janitorial. And we was working alongside the boiler attendants at MPS school.
Oh, MPS.
Yup. They was saying, girl, you got kids, going to school. Just don't even engage. And I'm just like, bitch, I don't have kids. I don't need this job. I got a man at home with a job. So what's up? I was like, let me roll these sleeves up. I was ready. And then I was already getting ready to walk off on that job.
Really?
So, yeah, I was really mad that I didn't get to, just get my frustrations out.
Oh.
Well, I took my shit on that old
Edit
lady
out
just
all
because she
of
was
this.
there.
For real? Edit it out. I can take it. You want me to edit it, for real?
I'm gonna see how I look together. But yeah, fuck it. I can't never put where I live. I live in Oak Creek, y'all. Oak Creek.
Cap. The cap is real.
In case motherfuckers try to find me, I live in Oak Creek.
Catch us in Atlanta.
You gonna have to split this video up. One's gonna have to be car talk, and then the other one gonna have to be pranking people in Ikea.
Yeah, it's gonna be funny. It's gonna be one separated video.
You said you don't want to separate them?
Yeah, it is. It's gonna be separated.
Oh.
This dude.
He look like he about to fall.
I'm
asleep
stressed
in the
out.
car.
She know that I bag it. Hey, young Gerald had a barrel. He know that I bag it. I'm gon' move that traffic. Can't let these hoppers have it. It's snowing in my attic. It's snowing in my block too hot for